PHS Besafe, we're with you from the beginning of your life. It all starts with a single heartbeat, and then your journey truly begins. Whenever you travel by train, you'll see PHS Besafe garments, keeping railway workers visible and protected on the tracks. And our measure service ensures the perfect fit for all. Meanwhile, at any sports events you attend, you might notice PHS Besafe garments, keeping stewards' uniform clean and professional. And that's worth cheering about, because wherever and however people are working, we're helping behind the scenes. When you're working on site, PHS Besafe will measure and then deliver garments directly to your workplace. All the kit you need, unboxed and ready to wear, just like we do for over 3,000 UK sites, helping ensure the safety and comfort of thousands of workers. Of course, maximum visibility is vital, thanks to glow gear, bright gear and flame gear. The result is total visibility throughout the day and the night. And we take care of your workwear too, because we understand that work can get messy. So we're here to clean up the mess by taking dirty workwear, washing it and returning back into lockers. After all, we launder over 1.2 million workwear garments every year in all types of industries and sectors. Next, we'll help you maintain your workwear with our repair service. This, once again, is delivered directly back to where it belongs. Job done. So, throughout your working life, we'll be there, day after day after day. Right up until you jet off into the sunset, PHS Besafe will be helping you through your lifetime. It's all thanks to our hard-working Besafe products and services. No wonder we've achieved a rating of 98% for customer satisfaction.